Yes, I'm just so heartbroken with this kind of comment. You guys should read these comments. How can a human being be this heartless? Take care of yourself very well because I'm not seeing life in you. You're not seeing life in me. Like I'm not a living thing. What do you mean by this? You're not seeing life in me. Which is that I'm working, but I'm not a living thing. Do you think that people are not trying? Do you think I'm not trying for my life? God. Take care of yourself very well because I'm not seeing life. Take care of yourself very well because I'm not seeing life. I'm not seeing life in you. Sorry for that. Don't be sorry for this comment really hurts me. I don't know how to express it, but this comment is really hurts me. Why you put so heartless to drop comments without knowing what that person, how that person will feel?